formerly known as Paso del Norte. Due to its role as an entry point into the United States of America, Ciudad Juarez is a land of growth, progress, and opportunities. At Triturados Asfálticos del Valle de Juárez, we are professionals and experts in asphalt concrete pavement. We have witnessed the city's development with pride and have played our part in this grand vision, maintaining and preserving the road infrastructure for both public and private sectors, including new developments to benefit and satisfy our clients. We take pride in partnering with the business sector to ensure the proper functioning of industrial areas with vehicular traffic. Whether it's fixing a pothole, improving a street, enhancing a residential area, or constructing a highway, Tajsa is a 100% Mexican company that is always present. We are committed to environmental conservation and have invested in a low-emission asphalt plant and cutting-edge machinery. Our top priority is quality, and we adhere to all safety standards, both in our facilities and in the field, as part of our unwavering commitment to sustainability. To meet the demands of this remarkable growth, we have modern equipment and continually strive for quality and efficiency in alignment with large-scale projects. Moreover, our technical, administrative, and field staff receive ongoing training to meet our clients' needs effectively. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to those who have been with us throughout our journey at Tajsa, and we take immense pride in Ciudad Juárez, its thriving industry, and its resilient people. Triturados Asfálticos del Valle de Juárez, a company dedicated to serving the construction industry.